Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to create a really simple design that can make a really bold statement. We will start off with a spray painted tumbler. I added a darker pink at the top that will help us achieve the ombre look. Once your tumbler is dry, I waited 2 hours to make sure the paint had time to gas off. You can go in with your Helios like I did or tack it. I use a soft contour makeup brush to apply the adhesive so I get a nice smooth finish. You want to avoid any lines or streaking because these will show under your glitter. I let that dry for just a few minutes until it was clear and then went in with my glitter. Fine glitter works best with this method. I went with Swak from Peachy Olive. I will have the glitter and all my supplies listed down in the description box below. You might even find some discount codes for you as well. Next, I'm going to rub down the entire tumbler with my hand until all the glitter lays flat. I wanted more coverage, so I went ahead and reapplied my adhesive the same way I did before, added my glitter and rubbed the tumbler down for a second time, and I thought I had recorded that part, so I'm really sorry about that. Once I got my second coat done is when I went in with my next step. Now we are ready to add our Hyperion. Before I started, I made sure to dry brush my tumbler to remove the excess glitter. I went in with 7.5 milliliters of Hyperion and my soft fan brush. I only needed 2 layers before this cup was completely smooth. Once I did my second layer of Hyperion and that dried, I went in with my chunky glitter for the waterfall. I used my contour brush and Helios again. I only brought the product down as far as I wanted my glitter to fall. Now we can add our chunky glitter. You'll see me pat down my glitter a few times, and then I'll use my parchment paper at the end to make sure everything is laying flat. The key to this design is to have everything as flat as possible. This way, there are only minimal layers needed to achieve your smooth finish. To get your waterfall effect, you'll want to hold your tumbler almost vertical and lightly sprinkle your glitter until you're happy with your coverage. I aim for the top portion of my tumbler and let the glitter fall. Now that we have pressed down our chunky glitter to make sure it's as flat as possible, we can move on to our next step. I always recommend sealing your glitter with Helios prior to applying your Hyperion. Next, we can go in with another 7.5 milliliters of Hyperion. I applied an additional 2 coats before moving on to my decal. After we apply the decal, we can go straight into our final layers of Hyperion. There was very minimal sanding needed for this cup. I did a light sanding around the top rim, and that's all it needed. I only needed 3 final layers to complete this tumbler. I'm definitely going to be using the Tack method more often. I love the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you recreate it, tag me. I would love to see all your creations.